Can we? Okay.
So,
Unboxing of
the Einhell.
BJ 900.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Biscuit jointer, yeah. Here's a knife.
It's a tool, eh?
Nice little box it comes in. It's a cheap biscuit jointer. We got it because of the price and because after research we looked for a unit that was not shaky. You know, they're full of little things, biscuit jointers. So
well,
we
it's
wanted,
German engineered, eh?
we wanted one that wasn't full of, like, didn't feel rattly and things like that. And so this one came under good review from fans. This would be the top, I suspect. Up that way. Okay, instruction book.
Throw it away.
Throw it away. Okay, and there's the.
It does not come with the blade. Oh wait, it does.
Okay, edit that out.
It does come with the blade.
Leave
Okay,
it there.
so yeah, you see, there's nothing too rattly about it. If you tighten everything, it's that plate. But compared to others, because of all the working parts, there's a lot of parts, but this one is not.
Okay, how does it work?
So,
Don't ask me.
well, we got to figure that out, isn't it? But what happens is this thing here, we're going to have at 90 degrees. See, there's a little bit of a thing there. And now we want to set the height of it, because if you measure this, I want it halfway, Gabriel. So get a tape measure and measure this. Oh, I just brought the vernier down, actually. We can measure it more accurately. Let's pop this in here. Let's measure it more accurately with this.
I still wanted to get Nikita.
So hold on. It's not a tool we use often enough to warrant a Makita. Okay, watch out, my boy. Off this plane quickly. Lift it up. So if we measure the thickness of this, we get to about 43. So halfway, 43 divided by 2 is going to be 21 and a half. So we're going to set this level at 21 and a half. So I'm assuming, let's just see, oh, we would loosen that, I expect, and then this would go down. And where's the setting? Where's the setting mark? Where's the mark that you're going to set it? Oh, you lift it up. So where is the mark where it's reading? Okay, so 21 and a half. 21 and a half is about there. And we're going to, oops, see, it moved. Oh, that has a penchant to move when you tighten in that. So let's go 21 and a half again. And we're going to actually, let's make it, yeah, 21 and a half is good enough. About 21. Okay, so now the whole idea with this thing is you're going to go, and then you're obviously going to decide what size biscuit is going to be in here. So how much, because that's not, how deep is the biscuit? Let's read the biscuit that we're going to use, because obviously you want that to go in, it's got to at least go in half of the biscuits length, and it's size 20, the biscuit. So you can expect it, just cut that open for me, my boy. If you do, don't drop them all over the place, because there's 1,000 in there. I don't want one of these. So the biscuit is 24 mil, eh? So we wanted at least to come out like 12 mil, 12 and a half mil to get to deal with that. So where do you measure that? That's the thing. Okay, that's the baby that's going to tell you your length that comes out. Is this kutiki here, this thing. So you're going to make that come out as much as you need it to come out. We push that in like that. Let's measure this blade. Is that the furthest blade gets out? Yeah. That blade is. Come on, move, man. It's only 10, so we need that to come out another 4 more. So let's move it like this.
2 mil.
Hmm?
Another 2 mil.
Pass me now.
Biscuit's 24, remember.
Star. There's a little
Star.
one.
Thank you.
You need a little star to move that.
Actually, I need a big star because I can't get my hand in it. Thank you. That's much better.
Actually, a big star.
Good. Doesn't want to turn. Why is it not going to turn? Why is it going to be so tight?
Do you want some Q20?
No, I want to know if I'm doing the right thing there. That's what's worrying me. Is the thread maybe backwards or something? See if I went this way. Oh, it just seems like maybe the... Oh, there we go, 20. Hey? Let's see what happens now. Okay, so there is a thing for the biscuit size. 20, 10,
Oh,
whatever. Yeah.
So what is
So-
that screw for?
It obviously sets this to some extent, but
what's
it sets
that
it
for
against there.
then? What is that for
it
then?
sets it to there. You check, that's why it's so tight. So when you put it on 20, if you put it on 10, it goes onto that piece, you check. So it limits it. And so it's good that that thing stopped me. So that's 20, it stops it shorter. And you see your blade is longer.
Okay, cool.
So that's for a size 20, a size 10, and a size 0 biscuit. Is that 0, 20, 10. Okay, so it actually
Perfect.
comes pre-planned
Yeah, baby.
with the biscuit sizes you get.
There's
So
that thing.
I didn't have information I needed there. That's your dust collector.
So you don't have to do anything with
Let's
screws
plug
or
this baby
anything
in.
like
No,
Okay.
all-
that. All
no,
there, plug and play.
plug and play. Where's the dust
Except for a little
collector?
bit
I mean,
of measuring, eh?
I've measured the things. Move, go, go.
Okay, let's see how it works.
Okay, this is also, that's for that. So let's put this back out like this. Okay, and you like flush like this. So this stays stable. That line is going to match your mark.
Yeah.
There, okay? So let's switch
Which
this on.
fingers?
We go away to the line, the half line. So that's it. Is that in? Why doesn't it feel right? That feels right. That's your so what's going to happen then?
And that side as well.
Then we're going to glue the biscuit like that in there.
Wow, that's
And that's going to
awesome.
squeeze it together, eh?
That is as easy as that.
Yeah.
And then you need to make a hole that side.
Yeah, but we'll go along this one and do all these ones.
I'll get the glue system on.
And you're going to do all these ones, okay?
okay?
So I'll do these ones, babe. You do the next one. Go to the next one. You do the next one, okay?
Where's the glue?
I love it.
Turn it around.
Line it in like so.
But,
Are you in line?
yep.
Are you? It's not lining up.
Yeah.
Why not?
There's some right there.
There seems to be some, we didn't push down in the middle properly. Or something like that. Give me the mallet, please. Is this tightening up?
Yeah, it is.
This side is.
Give it here.
Yours is out at the end. Is it in line though? That's better. Are you in line there? That's good enough. Dean, knock it some more. I feel like one of these biscuits wasn't deep enough and it's holding us out.
Hey, no, it's the end.
Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Okay, wait, let's put the next one on top again.
Okay, I'll hold this side.
You can hold that down. Okay.
Sometimes you just have to manhandle it a bit, eh?
Where's the line? Can't find the slot. Why is it not slotting?
It's okay.
Hey?
Because you have to manhandle it. Where's the mallet? There.
I'm slotted. Slot you.
Yeah.
Slotted.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay, pull it down.
Oh my word. Watch out,
Pull it
fingers.
down, pull it down, pull it down.
Okay, put it.
Okay, alright. Now we want to keep it flat, eh? Please move that thing. Chuck it behind you, Sean. You should be pretty close, my boy.
Do you want to move the plastic maybe? Oh, it doesn't matter, I suppose.
Yeah, I would move it just to get it out of the way. It's in your face. And Gav, have the clamp as deep down on the wood as you possibly can, okay? Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we went a little bit offline with the biscuit jointer, so we could have lined it up a bit better. But all in all, I know wood is very forgiving. We can do some serious sanding to just align it and then fill the gaps with some glue. But I reckon it's beautiful. This baby.
Don't open it. It's just quickly.
Open quickly. Want to look at it one more time? Yeah. So Gavin, what are we unboxing later?